Let's solve this nice equation together. Solve for x. 5 all out of x minus 1 plus 1 all out of 4 minus 3x equals to 3 all out of 6x minus 8. Very simple but tricky question. If you are ready to solve with me, let's go. Sure, so this is a question being given to us. But if you think you'll be able to solve this question, just pause the video and try it. After that, just compare your answer with mine and see whether they correspond. Give it to us, right? So I'm going to walk you through steps that you'll be able to use to solve this kind of equation anytime you come across it. So the first thing I'll do is to label the equation, the left hand side and the right hand side. So the next one is to transpose this expression I have here to the right hand side. The next step here is to find the LCM for 6x minus 8 and 4 minus 3x. Sure. So what? So now, what is the common factor between this and this? That is 1. Then you multiply it by the numerator, which is 3. Common factor for 4 minus 3x and 6x minus 8, that is negative 2. Three plus 2 will give us 5. Here is to cross multiply. Yeah, but for me, I'm not going to cross multiply. Why? Because the numerators are the same. So when the numerators are the same here, I'm not going to cross multiply. I'll just equate the denominators. So equate the denominators since the numerators are the same. Simple. So we now have minus 1 equal to 6x minus 8. Simple, right? So don't go every cross multiplying since the numerators are the same. The next thing you're going to do here is what? To group like terms. X minus 6x will give us so the next step here is to divide both sides by the coefficient of x, and with the coefficient of x is negative 5. So we are going to divide this one by negative 5. X equals to 7 out of 5, but you can still simplify this, right, to a mixed number because the numerator is greater than the denominator. Simplify this further. 1 whole number, 2 out of 5, right? right? I am Faris Texting, your humble math teacher. If today is your first time of following my lesson, just tap on the notification button because more are coming so that it will notify you anytime I load a new lesson. Like, share, and comment. See you again in my next lesson. Bye bye.